In this video, we're going to be mounting the front fender. We're going to mount the fender brackets and the fender using some of the fasteners. You'll take note that some of the fasteners and one of the brackets is already mounted on the motorcycle. So we'll remove some of those. We're only going to use a few simple hand tools, 10mm wrench, 4 and 5mm Allen. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the fasteners that were pre-installed at the factory. You've got 1 on the left side and then 3 on the right side. Most of the fasteners for the front fender are the same. There are 2 smaller ones that have the 4mm heads. Those 2 are going to go on the front of the fender mount. All the others, the brackets and even the rear fender mounts, are going to be the same hardware using the 5mm Allen. Two tips when installing the front fender. One, you want to leave all the hardware just hand tight, if not even just a little bit looser, until the final stage when we tighten everything down. Also, make sure that you keep the speedometer cable on the outside of that bracket. You don't want it rubbing against the front wheel. The final step to installing the front fender is to zip tie this speedometer cable out of the way. We want to make sure that it's not ever going to get in that front wheel.